Right, so instructions number one, add two new instance fields for store, inventory count of type int, inventory price of type double. Um, for the inventory price. Okay, so update the store constructor methods with the new parameters. The parameters should be product, count, and price. You must use that order and include the types of for each parameter. For example, product is of the type string because the value assigned to the instance field string product type. All right, so number three, in the body of the store constructor, assign the parameter values to the appropriate instance fields. Okay, so that's going to be now inventory count. We're going to set that equal to count. And then inventory price. We'll set that equal to price. Okay, so number four, inside main, create an instance of store called cookie shop. Called cookie shop. Cookie shop as cookies as the product. Cookie shop has 12 cookies to sell, and each cookie costs 3.75. So this is going to be new store. We're going to store the cookies. Which is going to be 12 cookies and at a cost of 3.75. What is that, yen or dollars? I don't know. It should be fine. Right, so let's move on.